Do you want to know how Geolantis360 works? Easy. Let me share with you the key benefits. The first thing you will need to do is build your forms and checklists according to your standards. You can create these using our powerful dashboard. Are all forms ready to go? Amazing job! Let's collect some data in the field using Geolantis' powerful and friendly interface. You will be able to inspect assets using all the smart forms you have created. Plus, we have developed an exclusive inspection rating matrix to optimize your work. All the data you and your colleagues have acquired on-site becomes instantly available. This can be accessed by any users inside your company anytime, anywhere. With Geolantis360, you'll be able to share all collected data through authorized devices and users instantly. Still using paper to collect data in the field? Leverage the full potential of the cloud. Request a demo now by clicking on the button below.